Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of January 2022. We're going to talk about DraftKings today, and there's something I need to talk to you all about. I did a video on the 12th of January, so it's about 7 days ago in the market in DraftKings. I was still bullish. I was still looking for the market in DraftKings to go up, and as you all can tell, we really haven't been getting that. And when you see the market not give you what your expectations are, you got to come through and say, I need to reevaluate the situation. I need to see what's going on in the market, because if I need to change my hypothesis, then I need to do it. Because if I don't, I will increase the effective loss of my prediction. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. Everyone else wants you to, do the fundamental analysis. They want you to look at the company's earnings reports. They want you to look at EBITDA. They want you to look at the EPS. They want you to use technical indicators and yada, yada, all this just to figure out where the price is going to go. And you don't need to do that. You just simply need to look at the price and the volume. That's it. So check this out. We're going to try to figure out and do a new price target, right? When the market is telling me something, I need to follow the market. I don't follow nobody else. I don't follow no other tweets, no articles, no other person's opinions. The only opinion I pay attention to is the chart. And once you come to a realization that that's the only thing that ultimately matters, you begin to sleep a lot better. So check this out. The market is not going the way I expected it to go. And I'll be one of the first ones to tell you that. I'm not here to hide anything from our community. When the market is not showing you your expectations, you need to follow it, believe it. Don't act like you don't see what's going on in the market. So many of these other YouTubers will come through and tell you to buy on all these dips when the market is continually telling you that we're going to continue to fall. That is one of the worst things that these YouTubers are telling the community of investors and traders in these stock markets. Yeah, they shouldn't be doing that. So now, I don't like what's been going on to the market in DraftKings. I haven't seen any big indications that this stock is trying to go up. The only indication that I had was right here on the 6th of January. And then again on the 11th, right? This was the opportunity for the market in DraftKings to continue to exhibit strength, and it is not doing it. Now, if it's not doing it, then cool. The market is telling us then, hey, I'm still trying to lower this price in DraftKings. You might want to reevaluate your original prediction. So guess what? We will. So since we haven't gotten that strength out into the market in DraftKings, I originally had this prediction going on since the December the 20th. We're not getting it. So we need to cut the play. That's around 20%. Yeah. Now, if I'm looking for the price to continue to go down, this is nothing compared to where the price is anticipated to go, right? So now let me get rid of this and let's do a new price target, because obviously this is a massive downtrend. Don't let no one come in and try to tell you anything different. Buyers are not here, okay? Nobody is willing to prop up this price in DraftKings. I mean, we take this back to September. This market fell 65%. Now, imagine if you were one who bought the market in DraftKings at $64, right? Just for you to break even, you have to see this market increase 188%, 200%. Yeah, just for that, just to break even. That's not even getting any gains, anything like that. Just to get zero, just to break even, you have to see this market go up 188%. Now, for you to get any profit, the market would have to go around 200% at least. So now, question, if we're not in a uptrend, we're in a downtrend, plain as day. And if this weight is still pushing on DraftKings price, where is the next level? The only way that we can figure out how low the market's going to go ultimately will be down here. This is where our focus needs to be. We follow price. Price has broken all of these other areas of support, right? We broke all of these support areas. As price in DraftKings continue to come down, the market did not hold those areas as support. So we just need to continue to follow the market until we find the buyers. If we never find the buyers, we continue to fall, period. All right. So now we need to focus in on this area right here. Okay. Do you see a point on this chart to where we can get the buyers? Can you see them? Where are they at? We need to figure this out as price continues to fall in DraftKings. Okay, do you see them? What about on the 3-day? Can you see these buyers? Are they present? I can see a very shallow area here around 20. Okay. And I can see a pretty strong area here around $18.50. Okay. So we got $20, and the second level that we can see buyers is $18.50. The third area. Now, I don't want the price in DraftKings to come all the way down here, but you got to be prepared for these things. 16. Okay. Yeah. We got 20, 18, and $18.50 and $16, right? Now, it is what it is. Okay. It is what it is. I understand many of you have been told that DraftKings is going to continue to go up in price. They want you to dollar cost average. They want you to hold for the long term. And I want you all to understand, okay? When the market in DraftKings started back in 2020, right? We have a very young market right here. It took the market in DraftKings to go from, right? Listen to this. In 1 year, the market went from $8, around $10 or so, to, let's see what the price was. So we saw the market increase like 45%, right? During the mid-year, March, market went up 621%, right? Here we are again. We have erased all of those gains. This is why I'm here to show you and tell you that you need to know when you're willing to get out. Because during this whole time DraftKings was going up, many YouTubers was pumping the stock. Many YouTubers was telling you to come in and buy because they're looking for this to continue to go up in the long term, right? Well, this is a long term when you consider a full year. We're about to go into 2 years into the market in DraftKings, and we're coming right back down to where we started. Yeah. So let's do this real quick. Let you all go. I got a couple of price targets because the market definitely showing us that it's weak. Okay. And we're going to maintain the weakness into the market in DraftKings until we see this price break back up above 28. Okay. First area for us to nibble and profit off of is around 20. Second area is around 18.50, 17.5%. Third area, which we're not looking forward to, but we got to be prepared, it's around 16. Okay. Now that $16 price target is going to be a while. Okay. It's going to be a couple of months, maybe 6-7 months, who knows, for us to see this price in DraftKings come down to 16. I think that is less likely for us to see 16, but we got to be prepared for it. I'm looking for 20 for sure, and 18.50 is a probable thing to be thinking of as well. But 16, that's going to hurt a lot of people if we see the market come down to $16 in DraftKings, right? So now let me straighten this up. Look at this chart real quick on a couple of different time frames. Okay. This is back over to the daily. Go to fix this up. Let me bring this over because we're not going to hold this play that long. So let's bring this over like into March, maybe. Hold this on the daily time frame. Put this over here. And now we are in position into the market in DraftKings. Still looking for some weakness. The market is telling us this. It's not me showing you that I'm looking for the market to go down. No, these price charts speaks. It speaks volumes, and once you actually interpret what they're trying to say, you can actually see where price is trying to go. All right, so now let me go ahead and do that there, fix it up here, and this is it now. Okay, This is what I'm looking forward to. This is what I'm looking forward to. I want you all to tell me, what is your expectations as we go into the month of March? Where are we going to go? Yeah, are we still weak? Are you expecting price to go up? Are you expecting price to dip a little bit further before we see a resumption or an uplift in price? What is your thoughts? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.